Lamjingba Hospital and Medical Research Private Limited was inaugurated today at Rims Road, Imphal. Consumer Affairs, Food and Public Distribution Minister Karam Shyam, Lamjingba Group Chairman Jackie Sanasam, Board of Directors of Lamjingba Group, Byron Motum, Motum Rakesh and Herojit were present in the occasion. The Additional Food Safety Commissioner has imposed a ban on import of packaged food items made in China, Myanmar and other Southeast Asian countries that do not comply with the Food Safety and Standards Import Regulations 2017, considering the coronavirus outbreak. According to a notification from Director Health Service, Dr. K. Raju Singh, no person shall import any article of food without an import license from the Central Licensing and Registration of Food Business Regulation 2017. A team of Thaubal Quick Reaction Team Commando personnel arrested a personnel of 6 Assam Rifles with 230,000 WY tablets during random checking of vehicles on Imphal More Road yesterday. The arrested has been identified as 35-year-old Yengkhom Bikram Singh of Kakching Moirang Them Laikai. The contrabands were recovered from the Maruti Swift Desire Vikram was driving. Arunachal Pradesh Governor B.D. Mishra asked the state government officials to implement developmental programs and projects with transparency, honesty and accountability. According to media reports, Mishra said this during a meeting with Gao Buras, local weavers, government officials and members of the public in West Kameng district. Meghalaya got the better of Sikkim by 66 runs to win their Ranji Trophy match at Mangalda in Assam's Darang district yesterday. Resuming at their overnight score of 66 for the loss of 7 wickets, Sikkim still required another 136 runs to win, according to reports. The session will resume after a gap of 20 days. The Speaker had adjourned the House after the ratification of the Constitution 126th Amendment Bill 2019 on the first day of the session on January 17 last.